Right, so I'm going to demonstrate some of the functionality of the middle column layouts that I've developed and have been using for the past few months or so. Let me just get screen key on so you can see what I'm typing. So essentially the first feature is an adjustable middle column layout. Essentially the whole layout is 3 columns. Yeah, so we've got an adjustable main column with next sort of feature is, so if you have let me just close all these windows. So if you've got an empty workspace and you open a window, it shows up in the middle as opposed to usually the side. So in addition, I can also set the ratio of, I can have multiple windows in the main column, and I can set the ratio between 2 windows or 3 windows. So basically, I mean, like right now I've got 2 windows, I have 3 windows, 3 windows again, but the ratio between them is a bit different. So that you can basically set. So you can set it on 2 windows, 3 windows, and that's basically it. And so then also you can have additional rows in the main window. So ideally I should have a few windows open. And then, sorry, so it's that. I haven't found much use for this, but it's there. I usually find it easier just to define multiple layouts, and then I can just switch between the layouts. So this would have like 3, I think I've already done this, but 3 windows like this, 3 windows like that, and whatever. Okay, so we covered that, ratio height, additional rows in the middle column, we've just covered that. Adjustable left and right column width, so essentially sometimes I like to, let me just open that so it's better demonstrated. Sometimes like I have like a browser window open and I don't want it to use that much space, so I can just set the column width of one side individually and I can reset it. The same for this side. Oops. So yeah, adjustable left right window. Oh, and then I also have, so actually let me just open it in the next workspace. So let me just change that. So if I've got many windows open, so they basically get distributed on the left and right column, but sometimes I like having a side column to have just like 2 windows, so that can be done by setting that. So I've got like 2 columns here, and then any additional windows that I want will just keep adding on this side. You can actually set it for the right column as well. I've just forgot the key binding. Right, so selectable nth window. So also I have a key binding to select the to focus the so from the, I can select the first, second, third or fourth window in the left or right column. So if I have focus on the middle column, then it's so that's the first on the side column. I should have done the screen key, which would have been so much better, but I will. So I can do that to select the first one, that to do the second, that. If my keyboard shortcuts look a bit weird, it's because I'm using a 4-rack layout. But essentially, it's the home row on my right hand, and then the keyboard row above for the right, I think. Yeah. Okay, so yeah, I guess that covers that. And also I've got another keyboard shortcut for bringing one of the side column windows as the master. So for example this one, if we do that just to make it more obvious, and then we do, what am I doing? Oh yes, so that's, nope, sorry, so that's the first one, so do that, so that, and then I can just keep swapping them, or I can swap the next one, and so forth, which is kind of handy. Right, so I covered that. Am I actually recording? Yes. Okay, so we have that selectable nth window, swap entire side column. Yes. Now let me just remember what that keyboard shortcut is. I don't use this too often. Some of the features are experimental, and some take time to actually become muscle memory and so forth. But essentially what I can do is mod M, Shift I, swap left column. Yeah, so essentially I can swap the entire left column with the middle window, or the right column with the middle window. Sorry, middle column. Sometimes, like, I'm running some applications on the side, and I just want to temporarily see them. So it's that. So that doesn't look right. That. So yeah, so this is basically the middle column now, and these are my side windows. So yeah, if that demonstrates it well, I don't know. But then yeah, Alt right again to reset it. Right, so we've got that, swap entire column, so select the nth window. Oh, I think we've already covered that. Select nth window from left right, yeah, swap entire side column. And then, yeah, I mean, lastly, I think this layout works, well, I mean, I haven't used it without, but you definitely should be using Xmonad Navigation 2D, so you just have a directional window selection. It doesn't work too well sometimes, like if you've got a, I don't know, if you're going from, like, you can't go from this window to a column on the left. Well, kind of, you can. It takes the one in the middle, but yeah, it's greatly, your navigational skills are greatly enhanced with that. So definitely use that. And yeah, I've just added some instructions in the README installation instructions. I'm hoping they're going to be sufficient if anyone wants to try them. Yeah, if there's any issues, if you have any questions, just post something in as a GitHub issue, or yeah. Cool, well, I hope this has been helpful, and yeah. So, save recording.